Good morning, friends. Today we are going to discuss about special contract. There is special segment in Indian Contract Act for special contract. But what is there special in these types of contract? Let us explore. As the screen indicates, there are five types of special contracts. They are contract of indemnity, contract of guarantee, contract of bailment, contract of pledge, and contract of agency. Let us start with first type of contract, that is contract of indemnity. The contract of indemnity is a type of contingent contract. If the loss is actually take place, then only the contract is performed. Indemnity holder cannot make profit out of the loss. Now, what do you mean by contingent contract? Contingent contract is that type of contract which is depend on happening of certain specific uncertain event. If that event is specific and certain, then that contract cannot be known as contingent contract. So, the contract of indemnity is also a type of contingent contract. All essentials of valid contract must be fulfilled for the contract of indemnity. If the object of contract of indemnity is void or against public policy, the contract of indemnity becomes void. Let us see the definition of contract of indemnity. Section 124 of Indian Contract Act defines contract of indemnity as a contract by which one party promised to save other from the loss caused to him by the conduct of promiser himself or by the conduct of other party. For an example, marine insurance. In this image, one person is drowning in the water and another is there to help him out to cover his loss. So the contract between these two are known is known as contract of indemnity. There are two parties in the contract of indemnity. First one is indemnifier and another one is indemnity holder. Now, what do you mean by indemnifier? The person who promised to cover the loss is called indemnifier. The person whose loss is to be compensated as known as indemnity holder. Friends, all of you may know that many traders used to have some type of insurance protection against their corporate business units. For an example, fire insurance, marine insurance. The trader is known as indemnity holder, and that insurance company who assures that trader to cover the loss if it takes place is known as indemnifier. Now let us see the rights of all these indemnifier and indemnity holder. An indemnity holder can cover all damage which he paid for any suit, all cost in bringing or defending any such suit, all cost which he might have paid to compensate any such suit. It means if a trader having insurance protection, but if that company deny to cover his loss, that trader may approach to the court. All these exercise has to he has to bear some cost for all these exercises. Then he can cover all these cost in his loss and get that all cost borne by that indemnity fire. Now, what are the rights of indemnifier? The act is little bit silent about the rights of indemnifier. They are similar to the rights of surety in the contract of guarantee. Thank you. We'll see contract of guarantee in our next session.